Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can create a registration form with the help of HTML and CSS3. So here is a demo of the project. I'm gonna teach you how you can create this form with the help of HTML and CSS3. So this is the first name, second name, you can say that our last name, email, password, and confirm password. This is a simple button and some text. So let's get started how we can create that. So I'm gonna maximize and use this way. I have a file. Inside the file have a basic structure of the HTML file, and I have a CSS file. This file is included inside our HTML document. So first thing, I'm gonna write the comment container start, copy and paste there, and I'm gonna open this one with live server and resize that. One more thing, I just resize that. Okay, inside there I'm gonna write the div. I'm gonna create an ID, so I use hash container. Inside there I'm gonna create a comment. First I'm gonna write the comment form, right, start, and this will be close. I use class dot form wrap. Inside there we're gonna create a form, right? But before creating a form we need to display the text. So first I'm gonna use h1 and write the text, sign up, and then I'm gonna use paragraph tag. It's free and only takes a minute, right? First save that, and inside the browser have a text, right? Then we're gonna create a form. So I'm gonna write the comment form start, form close. Inside that I'm gonna write the form tag, leave the action. Inside the form tag we're gonna create a div, assign the class form group. You can use any name as you want. In my case I use form group. Inside the form group div I'm gonna create a label tag and assign the form name is the first name, and write the input field, type is text, name is first name, and I'm gonna also assign the ID first name, right? Then we're gonna select that and press Alt Shift and down arrow. Then you will able to see the same thing will appear in the next section. So we're gonna change that few things, like a last name, and also we leave the text, and also I'm gonna change the ID. Once we select that, and I'm gonna get another section of the form group, and I'm gonna change that to email, and this will be email, and type is email, and we need to change that email, and this will be last name, I think, yes, and this will be email, right? Then we're gonna select that, use same thing, and one more thing, we're gonna change that to password, and this will be password, and type is password. We're gonna copy paste, and also we're gonna paste that. I just use C. Password means confirm password, and type is password, name is password. I just use C. C means confirm password. First we're gonna save that, and let's see on the browser as a some text and input fields, right? Let's create a button. So after this one div, right, inside the form group we're gonna create a button and use type is submit, or you can use button as you like, but I'm going to use submit, and I'm going to write the text is sign up. Then I'm going to create a paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph tag I'm going to write the text by clicking the sign up button. You agree to our, and then I'm going to create an anchor link. Hash means dummy link, right? And inside the dummy link I'm going to write the term and condition. Then I'm going to outside of the closing anchor link I'm going to write again anchor link, dummy link, and then I'm going to call primary, not privacy policy. So first we're gonna save that in the browser. Inside the browser have some text and one button, right? Finally we're gonna create a footer. So before last closing div, so we're gonna create a footer and write this some text. Right, and I'm gonna use dummy link, and I just use login here, right? This is our simple form. We need to use CSS to style that. So let's get started. Before styling the CSS, we're gonna use a Google font, always some Google font, sorry. So I'm gonna use Popin Google font. Just write that and open that. I'm gonna maximize that, and then you need to select the regular, this one. You need to use the import and just copy this one section and go to your browser, go to your code editor and paste on there, right? Then you will able to use pop-ins inside your project. I'm going to show you in a minute. So first thing, we need to use static to remove the margin and padding inside our browser. So first I'm going to use margin 0 and padding 0 and box sizing border box, right? Then we're gonna select the body. Inside the body I'm gonna first assign the font family is Poppins, just simple Poppins, and then I'm gonna change the background color. I have a color code of the background color ECEDEF. This is a very light gray of the background color. Then we're gonna use a line height of the 1.8, right? So perfect. Then we're gonna select the anchor link. Inside our link inside our project have many links like a login, terms and condition, privacy policy. So we're gonna remove that underline inside there. So I'm gonna use text decoration none, right? Then we're gonna select the container. I'm gonna show you each thing that I have written like this one. So we're gonna select the container. This is our container. We need to assign the max width, first I'm gonna assign the max width is 430 pixel, and margin top and bottom is 30 pixel, left and right auto. I'm gonna display all the content inside my browser as a center, so I'm gonna use auto. Then I'm gonna also use padding 20 pixel. So first set that right. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Everything is the center. Then the next thing, we're gonna select the form wrap. So I go to my main page, copy the class name and paste on there. Then we're gonna select, assign the background color. I'm gonna use white background color. Padding top and bottom is 15 pixel, and left and right 25 pixel. Right, so this is our simple form. Very simple. We're gonna design that. So I'm gonna use color light gray, dark gray, and border 4 pixels solid, and this is the border color code. So right, top of the border inside our form wrap section. Then I'm gonna assign the border radius 0.5 pixel, just a simple form. Then we're gonna select the form wrap. Inside the form wrap we have a H1 heading, and also I'm gonna select, just a minute, I'm gonna show you. I use comma, and I'm gonna use dot form wrap, and inside the form wrap we have a paragraph tag. So we're gonna select both of the sections or both of the properties. Then we're gonna assign the text align as a center. Right, then we're gonna select the form group, this one section. So first I'm gonna copy that, and first I'm gonna select the first one, class form wrap. Inside the form wrap have a form group. So first we're gonna assign the margin top is 15 pixel, and then I use same class form wrap dot form group, and then inside the form group we have a label tag. So we're gonna select that. I'm gonna show you form group. This is a class name. Before form group we have a class form wrapper. Inside the form wrapper we have form group. Inside the form group we have a label tag. So we're gonna select that, and then inside there first I'm gonna use display block. I want to display the label tag in the block section, right, in the whole section, in the strength line. Right, after the label tag we're gonna select the input field, but we're gonna also change the color light gray. Right, then we're gonna select same thing, but we need to change the label to input field. So first I'm gonna assign the width. So width is 100%, right, and then I'm gonna assign the padding to make a space inside our input fields 10 pixel. Then I'm gonna assign the border 1 pixel solid, and also I'm gonna use border radius 5 pixels. Right, our form is a very nice, right, but we need to work on another things. But I need to change the label name on there. Okay, so confirm password. Right, so save. So let's work on the button tag. So first of all we need to select the form wrap class. and then button. First I want to display the button in the complete line, so we're gonna use display block property, right? And also we need to assign the width 100%. Perfect. We need to assign the margin and also padding. So first I'm going to use padding 10 pixel all sides, and also we need to assign the margin top to make a space between our input text field and our button. So I need to assign 20 pixel, and then I'm going to assign the background color like hash 49C1A2, right? And then I change the color of the text, and I'm going to use cursor as pointer, right? And also I use border 1 pixel solid, and this is a border name, same, right? Save that, and everything is perfect. I also use font family inside there, because inside the button we need to assign the font family is Poppins. And I'm going to change the font size 15 pixels, and also I use transition 1 second. First save that, but I also use the pseudo class to change the background color and even hover the mouse inside our button tag. So I'm gonna use background is hash 371080. So first save that, and I'm gonna hover the mouse inside the button, then the button color has been changed now, right? And also I assign the transition inside there. 1 second. Yes. Okay. So hover the mouse, right? Perfect. Now let's work on the form wrap and bottom text. I have assigned the class. Where I assign the class? Just a minute, I'm gonna check that. Where is the bottom class? Okay, so I need to assign the class inside there, button class, right? So I'm gonna select that, not bottom class. I need to assign the bottom text. Okay, you can assign any name as you want. In my case I use a readable name. So first thing, I'm going to change the text align, not text align. I just use form wrap. So first I'm going to change the background color is not background color. I just use font size 30 pixel, and also I need to make a space between our button and our text, so I'm going to use margin top 20 pixel. So right, our text has been decreased and have a space inside our button and our text, right? So we need to work on the footer section. So select the footer and you just write simple few properties like text align is center, margin top is 10 pixel, and color is hash 333, right? I'm gonna show you. Perfect. As you can see, finally we need to change the link color. So I'm gonna select footer, anchor link, and color is for 9C1A2. Very simple. So here is a very simple registration form. I'm gonna select that any input text field, right? You can also, just a minute, I need to use, where is the form input field? Also use font family, and there is Poppins. So sir, perfect. As you can see guys, our form, registration form, has been successfully created with the help of HTML and CSS3. I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.